Today, we're going to learn about probability. Probability is the likelihood of something to happen. So we're going to start with a dice activity today. Everybody has one die in their hand. Just take a look at the die. There's 6 sides. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, a 5, and a 6. So that means there are 6 sides to the die, and there's a different number on each side. The first question we're going to ask is, what is the probability of rolling a 5? Since there is 1 5 on the die, that will go on the top, and that's the numerator. On the bottom will be the denominator, which is how many sides are on the die. So there are 6 sides. To the question, what is the probability of rolling a 5? The answer is 1 out of 6. Next question is, what is the probability of rolling a 1 through 3? 1 through 3 is 3 numbers, 1, 2, and 3. So this will go on the top, the numerator. 3 will go on the top for the numerator, and on the bottom, the denominator will go 6 because there are 6 sides to the die. We can then reduce 3 out of 6 down to 1/2 because there is 1 3 in the number 3 on the numerator and 2 3s on the 6 in the denominator. So the probability of rolling a 1 through 3 is 1/2. The next activity we'll do is a heads and tails activity. Everybody has 1 quarter in their hand. Now we're going to flip your quarter 25 times, and each time you do it, make sure you write down whether it was tails or whether it was heads. In the example I did, I got tails 11 times and heads 14 times. So the probability of me getting a tails is 11 out of 25 because we flipped it 25 times, so that's the total, and that'll go on the denominator. And the probability of me getting a heads was 14 out of 25. So again, for tails, that was 11 out of 25 and 14 out of 25 for heads. The next thing we're going to cover is changing the probability to percents. A percent is a number out of 100. So the first fraction we have fraction or probability is 5 out of 10. This can also equal 50 out of 100 since a percent is out of 100. So this will equal 50%. The next one is 1/4, which can also equal 25 out of 100 for the percent, which equals 25%, which was on the numerator. The next one is 6 out of 6, and 6 is the numerator, and then 6 is the denominator. So this would equal an even 100%. One quick example problem we're going to do. Jimmy's mom made 4 batches of cookies. She made 12 chocolate chip, 12 peanut butter, 12 Monster, and 12 double chocolate chip. But Jimmy only likes peanut butter and Monster cookies. So what is the probability that he will get the cookie he likes? First step we're going to do is we're going to need to add all the types of cookies. So we're going to have 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. This equals 48 total cookies. So then since Jimmy only likes peanut butter and Monster cookies, we need to look at how many peanut butter and Monster cookies there were. So there were 12 peanut butter and 12 Monster. So that 12 plus 12 is 24. So since Jimmy only likes peanut butter and Monster, that will go on the numerator. So we will have 24 out of the total number of cookies, which was 48. So what is the probability that he will get the cookie he likes? The probability of Jimmy getting the cookie that he likes is 24 out of 48. Like we did reducing earlier, this can reduce down to 12 out of 24, then to 6 out of 12, and then to 3 out of 6, and then all the way down to 1/2. So what is the probability that Jimmy will get the cookie he likes is 1 out of 2. Are there any questions?